Hi, my name is Russ Hensley and I'm the Vice President of L&L Contractors. I've been with L&L Contractors for almost a year now. One of the things that intrigued me the most about working with L&L is the owner, Donald Lester. I have a lot of respect for how he treats his clients, and I've also known several of the team members for a long time, and I value and trust their experiences. I like working with L&L Contractors because of our family mentality, which includes our clients. We work through everything together, the good and the bad, and at the end of the day, we get the job done no matter what. One of my best experiences working with L&L is the opportunity to bring on new team members. I love the energy they bring, the excitement, the new face, and one more member of the family. I have a pretty challenging job at L&L Contractors. There's a lot of people that I have the opportunity to help on a daily basis. Comes with a little bit of stress, but this is construction, and it's just kind of part of what I thrive on. One of my favorite projects, I guess it really isn't a project, but it's running our team meetings. We all get together every couple of weeks. We get to focus on what the big picture is. We focus on the positives, and we take lessons learned from that time period and share them with everybody. My favorite part of the job or working with L&L is that I get to help people from the top down and from the bottom up. I think that's something that gives me a sense of accomplishment at the end of the day, knowing that somebody's needed something and I was able to be there for them. Boy, it's tough. My favorite core value, I respect and appreciate all of them, but I really like the family mentality. You know, we're all a big family, we're all building a fun, positive culture, and everyone here is valued. Again, my name is Russ. I hope we get the chance to work together in the future.